Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing today, guys? Today in history, 17th April, Christopher Columbus signed his famous contract with King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella I of Spain. This contract was known as the Capitulation of Santa Fe, which granted Columbus resources and authority to embark on his famous voyage across the Atlantic Ocean. This voyage was in search of a westward route to Asia and the Indies. It was this voyage that led the Europeans to claim that they discovered America. This contract was signed on this date, 17th April 1492. Yeah. Please subscribe for more.